If you're looking for seatbelt webbing replacement for your car, Safety Restore is the place for you. We do it all. Been in business for years, and custom color seatbelts, dog chewed seatbelts, classic car seatbelts, we replace all the webbing. Service is simple. All you have to do is remove the seatbelts out of your car, mail them in, and we do the rest. You can choose custom colors, we can match the color, we use state-of-the-art machines to make sure all the stitching is replicated and meets or exceeds the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards. To get started, you just visit our website at safetyrestore.com, choose the color you want, and then just mail in your seatbelts. Everything is done within 24 hours. After that, we mail it back, ready to be installed. Again, we got dozens of colors to choose from on our website, constantly adding more, or we can match your existing color. So maybe you wanted to revamp that interior, you're a car enthusiast, maybe you're restoring that classic car, or maybe that dog chewed your seatbelt. We can replace it. We also work with salvage cars all the time. So if you got stretched seatbelts that have been in an accident, things like that, we replace the webbing. We also repair the seatbelts, so make sure to browse all those services online. Again, that's at safetyrestore.com. Custom seatbelt webbing replacement for all types of seatbelts, all cars, all models. Visit us today at safetyrestore.com.